Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for study abroad with Academic Programs International. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Academic Programs International website. Navigate to the Study Abroad section on the homepage. Choose the program that interests you from the available options. Click on the program link to see detailed information. Review the program details, including dates, costs, and requirements. Find and click on the Apply Now button. Complete the online application form with your personal information. Upload any required documents, such as transcripts and a passport copy. Check the application checklist to ensure you have included all necessary items. Submit your application once you have verified all information is correct. You will receive a confirmation email after submission. Log into your applicant portal using the credentials provided in the confirmation email. Monitor your portal for updates on your application status. If required, attend any scheduled interviews or information sessions. Wait for your acceptance notification via email. Once accepted, follow the instructions for enrollment and payments. Complete any pre-departure requirements outlined in your acceptance packet. Stay in contact with your program advisor for additional support and information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.